It's like a tomato and egg sandwich in a pineapple bun. Hello, I am in my accommodation for Taichung, and it's super nice, by the way. It's like super modern and it feels like a hotel, but you know, less hotel-y. Alright, so first off, this is the room. Wow, it's pretty big actually. So we have a bed, as a cute Monstera pillow. I like that. Okay, so I just put my bag down and everything, so ignore that. There's a huge TV, desk area, a couch. Okay, this is the bathroom. Ew. Cool mirror. Dude, I am shiny. Okay. This is the bathroom and the shower. Oh, it's all blue. Interesting. It's very clean though. Next up is the outdoor area, if I can open it. Alright, here is the little balcony. Oh my god, it's small. With a view of another building. But yeah, pretty nice actually, and it's, wow. It's not a huge balcony, but it's nice. So yeah, that is the room for one night though. So I'm traveling to Taipei tomorrow afternoon. Actually, I might have a nap. I might have a half an hour nap and then get back to it. So I'm very tired. So yeah. It's a Dragon Ball 7-Eleven. What? Lighting is poor, but it's okay. Alright, really good. Slightly crunchy, flaky. There's a little bit of spring onion flavor / spring onion oil in there. It is perfectly cooked as well. It's crispy on the outside. 10 out of 10. Holy shit. Hello, this is my first bubble tea ever in Taiwan. I don't know what I got. I think it's like jasmine tea with sago and pearls in it. It's pretty good. Hello, I am back from the night market, and I would say, honestly, once you've gone to one or two, you've probably seen them all. Okay, hot take, but I think definitely now that I've experienced at least three, I think this is my third night market. I think I've had my fair share, so I will probably go to maybe one in Taipei. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through a bit of my haul that I got from today. First off, I got some spring onion pancake, which I devoured. I ate it all. Secondly, I bought some calamari, which I have yet to finish. So mukbang time, but this is the leftover of it. I don't know if you can see. It was okay. It wasn't like the best thing ever. Then I got my bubble tea, which is something with light jelly and maybe jasmine tea. It was okay. Then I finally got my mushroom chips, which was a whole container for 100 Taiwanese dollars, which is worth, but also I can't eat it all. And then I was like seeing all this fruit, and I don't know if it was a scam, but I think this is guava. They put like a sauce on it, and then I got the best thing ever. Red dragon fruit, and then also white dragon fruit, because it was 3 like boxes of fruit for 100 Taiwanese dollars. So honestly, pretty worth. So that's gonna be my dessert and also my breakfast tomorrow morning, because yeah, that's fun. So that's what I bought from the night market. And then as I was also shopping around, I bought some little souvenirs. So I bought this really cute Burb keychain, and then like this other ripened mango one, which is really cute. And then I also got some capybara blind boxes, which are also keychains as well. So super cute. I'm gonna actually try this dragon fruit on camera for you guys. So this is the red dragon fruit. Oops. Dragon fruit is so refreshing somehow. It's like slightly sweet, but it's also kind of dense. That kind of like texture of it. It's like soft, but it's also dense at the same time. This is good dragon fruit, and as my mum always says, dragon fruit's good for your brain. Is that true? Can someone fact check me on that? But apparently dragon fruit is really good for your brain, and then I used to eat this before like exams or like before a test. I don't know if it did anything. So, cheers. Next up is the white dragon fruit. I think it's gonna taste the same, but whatever. That was good. All right, I forgot to show the guava piece. It's like this. I don't really know like what it's gonna taste like. It kind of looks like a mixture between a nashi pear and like a honeydew maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, they put something on it, I'm not sure what they put on it, but whatever. The texture is like a nashi pear. It has a slight like herbal, but it's, I don't know, I'm not sure if I really like that. Okay, I would compare it to a drier nashi pear with a bit of like lemony flavor. I think that's from what they put on it. It's interesting. I don't know. It's slightly salty because maybe they added some salt to it, or maybe it's in like this powder thing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's good, but I'm not sure if I'd get it again. Eating aside, fruit aside, I actually used my Chinese to order this fruit. I said, how much is this? And I used my powers of language to be like, oh yes, this one please. So I kind of slayed that, not gonna lie. And then she said the number 3 for 100, and I didn't understand what that meant. So I just gave her too much money, and then she gave me some of the money back. So it was a bit awkward, but it's okay. So yeah, tomorrow I'll explore more of Taichung a little bit. So going to the Rainbow Village and some of the art areas. So hopefully I can leave my suitcases here, I'm not sure. Thank you for joining me in this chaotic day, honestly. I don't think, yeah, I'm kind of night marketed out. Kind of not sick, but I'm kind of like done with night markets a bit, because it is a bit of the same things over and over again, and I think I've had enough of it personally. Hopefully in the next couple of days I can eat some cool things for dinner that are like actual meals, or like actual like whole meals, instead of just like picking random things and just nobbling it. So that's it for today, and I shall see you tomorrow when I go to Taipei, etc. So yeah, good night. Good morning, it is a new day. I've already booked my ticket to the high-speed rail to Taipei at 2:43 p.m. so I need to be definitely back at the station at least by like 2, I guess. We'll be doing some activities and exploring Taichung today. Probably we'll get some breakfast first and then go to the Rainbow Village, so stay tuned for that. Not me wearing all black at the Rainbow Village. Oops. Thank you for watching my Taichung vlog. I honestly wish I stayed longer, there's so many cool things to do. Stay tuned for my next video, which will be in Taipei. Okay, bye and thanks for watching.